Dear colleague, welcome to this lecture where we will look at how to set a depth stop on a DBS electrode using the indexer. As discussed in detail in the lecture on implanting a DBS electrode, we need to measure out the functional length of the electrode. That is, the point on the electrode we want to end up in the target point. With the cell frames and the SUSI system, the functional length is 190 mm. And I will measure this from the middle of the deepest contact and put a stop 190 mm from this. This is not difficult, but with the directional electrodes, you need at the same time to keep the directional marker facing upwards, and that can be somewhat tricky. For that reason, I am using the dedicated tool called indexer for setting the depth stop position on the DBS electrode. In reality, it is dedicated for use with a microdrive, but I don't use that, so let's ignore that as well as the related numbers on the device. Anyhow, the indexer has a groove for the electrode with 3 indentations for the stop, and I will use the one closest to the millimeter scale, as seen here. I like to use a ruler with the indexer, just to be sure, but I know that 190 mm is slightly beyond the third marking on the device, as seen here. Put the stop on the electrode and tighten the screw, but not more than that you can still move the electrode freely in the stop. Place the electrode in the groove with the stop in the indentation, keeping the stop screw pointing upwards. Then rotate the electrode so that also the directional marker is facing upwards and push the electrode so that the deepest contact is 190 mm from the stop. And here it is helpful to use some tool for the pushing, as the forceps seen here. And when the electrode is well placed, I use the same forceps to lock the screw. And the whole procedure takes about 45 seconds, as we see in this video. Place the stop on the electrode and tighten it slightly. Put the stop in the indentation and the electrode in the groove. Rotate the electrode so that the directional marking is facing upwards, as the stop screw. Adjust the electrode length so that the middle of the deepest contact is 190 mm from the stop. And you can now lock the screw, and with that you are done. And remember that you will find 250 other lectures at the Stereotactic Academy. Thank you for your attention.